evening tonight. So just please remember that US employment report on the non-farm payrolls is coming out shortly. That'll be in approximately about 2 hours time. And yeah, right now the ADP employment is 278. That's 100,000 more than what they expected here. So guys, we all know that the market is heavily manipulated. So please be very cautious and trade with caution. Make sure to hit your stop losses. And yeah, so basically the crypto market cap is just under 1.2 trillion. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there? Blessed, beautiful souls. Kiara DeCassi here today with Crypto Bliss Show. I love sixes and nines. I've been telling you about 3 6s and 9s. It's been wonderful. So thank you to every single one of you beautiful subscribers for being here and being part of the channel and the community. I really do appreciate every single one of you, you blessed, beautiful souls. Guys, I've had a crazy past 24 hours. My phone bombed out last night. It refused to switch on. It's back and working. Thankfully, it's an iPhone, so you can restore from the iCloud. So hopefully I've got all the information that I had on there, because all my trading, all my apps, everything is on that phone, of course, which is very epic. But yeah, it just kind of showed me. Now I know why the guys have 2, 3 phones and 2, 3 computer devices. So anyways, guys, I don't want to waste any more time. I've got lots to show you on this video. We have, let's start off with the news here. Please remember to trade cautiously and safely. And if you want to trade with me, then make sure to hit my Bybit link down there below. Unfortunately, I wasn't even able to get in any of these trades. I wasn't able to increase my positions, and I'm a bit late on some of them. So I won't be getting in on most of them, but I will look at which ones we can get on. And I'll do a video for you a little bit later on in the evening tonight. So just please remember that US employment report on the non-farm payrolls is coming out shortly. That'll be in approximately about 2 hours time. And yeah, right now the ADP employment is 278. That's 100,000 more than what they expected here. So guys, we all know that the market is heavily manipulated. So please be very cautious and trade with caution. Make sure to hit your stop losses. And yeah, so basically the crypto market cap is just under 1.2 trillion and 1.2% up for the day. Nearly 35 billion in trading volume. And currently the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 50. So really not much difference there. The bubbles, Quant, Injective, XDC, GRT, APT, Lido, XRP, Sand, Litecoin, Filecoin, Arbitrum, Solana, pumping. Okay. Rest of them, Optimism, they launched 155 million new coins. So that's, of course, why that's falling. And Pulse Hex and Pulse Exchange are all just falling on their asses as well at the moment, guys. So not much news to tackle there. I have something very interesting to show you on the dollar. Check this out. This is the daily time frame. We've hit the oversold on the RSI. This is the 200 daily moving average. Check at that. We hit resistance there. We didn't even touch the 200. Plus, we hit this resistance line. Came far down. From there was a 5% drop. So right now we're in the same position and we're creating basically a lower high. So for me, if this doesn't break this high at some point in the next couple of days or weeks, I'm going to say to you that we will be forced down with the dollar to the downside. But we are being supported here by the ribbon at the moment. It is flipping. So let's see what the non-farm payrolls do, because the non-farm payrolls are definitely going to make the markets move. This was the breakout level. So I think it could retrace back down to this zone right here, the blue line where I've previously said. And at that point, we would be pretty much trading in a range on the dollar now. So that is very, very interesting. And yeah, so basically lots of resistance. 5% down from there would take us to a new low. That would be very interesting to see. The S&P, let's go and check the daily. The weekly is pretty much pumped up as much as it could. The daily is still pumping. It's really trying to pump, but it's not doing too much. So you can see we're holding strong on the ribbon, holding strong on the support. We're kind of above this level here now, which is great for it. BTC dominance today is currently a little bit down. Let's go and have a look at it on the daily. So on the daily, we are breaking a new low, which tells us that we could be coming even further. So there was a sell signal 2 days ago, and we are currently breaking the ribbon. If we close today's candle under the ribbon, guys, dominance is going to fall down to my target, like I said here. But we are coming to an oversold perspective on the RSI. Please remember that. And then basically Bitcoin, as you can see here. So Bitcoin today on the weekly is pretty juicy. But yeah, not all that favorable. But I do want to show you that on the daily, we had a sell yesterday, a sell signal from the UT-bot signal, plus we had the RSI tell us to sell over here. So I took profits there on my trade, and I hope you guys did. Let me know if you did take your profits down below. Guys, before I carry on, please remember coming over and like the video. Please, that would be appreciated. And of course, if you are watching this and you aren't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription bell. I have a lot of videos coming out for you this weekend. I have a long list of videos that I'm going to do for you. So please make sure to stay tuned right here to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you know when I do videos for you guys. But basically, BTC is still holding this level here. The moment we break this level is the moment that we will continue the downtrend on the RSI and, of course, on the price action. But you can see here the 4-hour on my video yesterday. This video here, I did tell you guys that if you wanted to take a trade, there was the trade. And look how perfect that entry was, guys. Absolutely, look how deliciously perfect that entry would have been. Unfortunately, we would have been stopped out because look at it. We know the markets hunt for the previous lows. So generally, I would put it kind of behind the next low, which would have been there, but we still would have been stopped out. So we would have lost the trade. But essentially, I wouldn't, right here, I would have put in the trade and given myself a bit of a breathing gap because right now the ribbon is twisting down. The 200 is pushing us the price action down. So for me, as I said, we would have just probably come up to this zone at the most, which is the breakout level, retested, and then started our next move down, guys. So I do think that Bitcoin will probably come down, but that is also going to be dependent on what non-farm payrolls has in store for us today. Are we going to go up? Are we going to wick up and down and then kind of find that flat line and then find the direction? Yes, that is how you trade the non-farm payrolls. Don't just get into a trade before the non-farm payrolls because it will blow your account. And please, if you didn't come over and watch my risk management in this video, please go ahead and watch that because it is so important for you guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for being here on the channel. I really do appreciate it. Very quick one for now, and we'll do some more, and we'll see you a little bit later. Lots of love to you all, and have a beautiful day.